Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Westgate Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in westgate.bank/mortgage and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Westgate Mortgage. Now click on the login button which says login here for already having a mortgage. You will then be taken into the login portal for your mortgage. Just type in your username within the username box that you have set up while creating your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. Then click on I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Westgate Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password and the username option to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Westgate Mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.